There have been some updates lately on how responsive search ads or RSAs are structured. In this new Google Ads video, I will go over the changes, of which at least one is great, one is meh, and one is just avoidable. So for the first update, originally 3 headlines could show at once, but at least 2 would show in any case. With this new update, ads can also show while only showing 1 headline in the headline. This doesn't mean a second headline won't be shown at all, but instead it'll be moved to the front of the description. This could be nice, as shorter headlines grab attention more easily, but it could also be a disaster, as some headlines showing as part of the description could just look outright silly. This is not the new norm, but will happen when performance is predicted to improve, which is Google talk for we will test whatever and whenever we please. The only way to avoid this is by pinning headlines you definitely don't want in your description as the first headline. However, it's not foolproof, as you might not even want that to show as the first headline, but you just don't want it to be part of the description. Now, I am actually quite excited about the second update, which allows you to set headlines and descriptions on campaign level. If you go to Assets, there will be the headline and the description. This is convenient for cases where ads will have overlapping headlines or descriptions that are more generic or standard. Instead of duplicating them on both ads, you can now simply set them at campaign level. It's also possible to schedule them, which makes this a great option for temporary promotions or other events. They will still appear in the asset overview of your ads, and the level column will indicate if it's an ad level or a campaign level headline or description. Before we move on to the third change, I want to highlight a comment that was left on Jenny Marvin's, the Ad Liaison's, LinkedIn post about these updates. One of my pet peeves is when the combined headline either makes it very repetitive, like using the same keywords, or just makes it make no sense out of context. It can also come across as a very aggressive ad when it's just 3 call to actions showing in the headline. You would think Google's AI is better than that. What Daniel here in the comments is suggesting would be a great setup. There would be different types of headlines, customized headlines, value proposition, and call to action. Then the system could take one from each category and make a stronger and more logical combination. And the third update is about account level automated assets. Now what's changed is that previously, if you had a manually created callout extension, sitelink extension, that would trump the automated one. Even if automated assets were enabled, if you had a manually created one, that would override the automation. With this new update, the automated ones can run instead of or alongside your manually created ones. Account level automated assets are enabled by default in new accounts, and many people don't know how to find this setting to disable them. That topic deserves its own video, so if you're also not sure where to find it, be sure to stick around and watch my next video. So those are the 3 big updates to RSA so far in 2024. If you're looking for the setting to disable the automated assets, be sure to check out my other video. And with that, I hope you learned something new today, and I wish you a great day.